Can the hiccups kill you?
Deckhand Matt Sullivan, who's only been crabbing for 3 years, is atop the stack.
So you feel like they could kill you?
Matt's job requires him to quickly traverse the slick, tangled stack. And tonight, he's wearing a helmet-mounted camera. Just how precarious it is.